Good morning. How are you? In this video, I'll be walking you through the debug process which I use to debug my node applications, my endpoints. I basically use two approaches to debug. One is from Google Chrome and another is from Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, I think it's very easy to debug your application, so I'll walk you through it first. You need to first click this icon over here, which will show you a nice debug panel. And what you need to do is click this drop down over here and add configuration, which will take you to this launch.json file, and then you need to click attach to process. So you can see after you click your attach to process option, you can see a new object being added into this configurations array. So what it tells is, like, if you see in this name attribute, it tells attached by process id. So basically, this debug is wanting you to attach a process to your node application so that you can debug it. You save this launch.json file and now click on this arrow, click attach by process id, and then click this green icon over here. So right now you can see there is no process running on my machine to which I can attach my node application. So for to run my process, I'll start my node server. Okay, so the app has been started on port 3000. I have all my endpoints and my server set up in this file server.js. Okay, now my port is up, my server is up. You can now click on this green icon and find this port ID over here and attach your debugging to this process ID. If you're not sure about your port number to which you want to attach, you can always find it by ps command. And now you can see my node server.js is running in this 2917 port ID. Okay, so to debug, let's put some breakpoints. I have already my breakpoints to this endpoint gets the auto suggestion. To debug, I mostly use Postman, which I think you might have installed it because it's a very nice extension to test your endpoints locally. I'll click send. It's a get request, so no body and all. I'll click send. Yeah, so see, you can see the breakpoints have been hit. Now you can do function F10 or arrow, or there are a lot many tools here to see. So let's add a breakpoint here, and now you can see your result object with this snapshot over here. So this is all about debugging your application from Visual Studio Code. Now I'll show you how to debug your application from Google Chrome. Okay, let me stop this debugging right now. Okay. So to debug your application from Google Chrome, you need to type in node server.js with inspect flag. Sorry, my mistake, the spelling is wrong. Okay, now our application has been started on this 3000 with this WebSocket. I'll go on to Google Chrome. Okay, inspect. You need to open your developer tool by either clicking on this inspect, or you can do Control Shift I. Now as I type in this node inspect command, So you can see this icon appearing over here. It shows open dedicated dev tools for node.js. I'll click on this. It will take me to my server.js file, and you can see all my debugging points are attached over here. Or if you don't find your file, you can always type in control P and server.js. Fine. So this is same as you debug your JavaScript applications. Nothing has changed. Now I'll again go to my Postman and hit my endpoint. Good. Again my breakpoints have been hit, and then you can start debugging your application. And you can see like um, what your objects are and all those things. Fine. And finally I get my result. So this was all about debugging your node applications on Chrome and Visual Studio Code. Hope the things are clear, and thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.